द लास्ट ऑफ अस, मेरे हस्बैंड की बीवी, खौफ एंड यंग शेल्डन. We have some really exciting OTT releases for you this week. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू चाय एंड चूरन. यहाँ पे हम आपके लिए लेके आते हैं हर हफ्ते के ग्रेट रिलीजेस ताकि आपको ना ढूंढना पड़े कि इस हफ्ते वीकेंड पे क्या देखना है. आई हैपन टू वॉच डब्बा कार्टल लास्ट वीक. दिस वाज ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव्ड द परफॉर्मेंसेस of Shabana Azmi, Gajraj Rao and Shalini Pandey. If you like a good thriller and the storytelling by Excel, you should definitely watch this one. First up is The Last of Us. Now The Last of Us is on season 2. It starts 5 years from when the story ended in season 1. It's on Jio Hotstar. It's about a post-apocalyptic world. And so if you're interested in the game and saw season 1, you should definitely watch season 2 on Jio Hotstar. Next up is मेरे हस्बैंड की बीवी. Now the Arjun Kapoor, Bhumi Pednekar and Rakul Preet Singh starrer just came in theatres a couple of months back. It was honestly criticized a bit for the theatres and not a lot of people went to watch it in the theatres. लेकिन I'm sure अगर घर पे बैठ के OTT पे देखना है तो Jio Hotstar पे आप ये कॉमेडी देख ही सकते हो. Basically, the plot is about Arjun Kapoor's ex-wife Bhumi Pednekar losing her memory and then coming and disrupting his life with his new fiancé, which is played by Rakul Preet Singh. So I think you'll be interested in watching this on the weekend. If you do watch it, tell us in the comments below what you thought of it. The Stolen Girl on Jio Hotstar. This is a psychological crime thriller series on Jio Hotstar, and the fun part is that it's based on a very popular novel called Playdate by Alex Dahl. Now इसमें it's a parent's worst nightmare because the kid goes for a playdate and you know the mom is nice, the house is nice, the new friend is nice, and then overnight the kid disappears. So जब वो अगले दिन अपने बच्चे को लेने जाती है तो the बच्चा is not there only. So it's basically going to be a really fun mini series to watch and you can catch it on Jio Hotstar. Next up is Young Sheldon on Netflix. Now season 7 already internationally release हो चुका है और ये final season है. If you were a fan of Big Bang Theory और आपको मेरी तरह Young Sheldon या Sheldon का character बहुत पसंद था, so this show is really fun. It's a kids show also. आप इसको बच्चों के साथ भी देख सकते हैं. And it's about the character Sheldon, which has always been really quirky and fun to watch. It's a family show, तो आप इसको Jio Hotstar पे इस summer ज़रूर देखिएगा. Next up is The Glass Dome on Netflix. It's based on a novel by Camilla Lackberg. It's a psychological thriller and drama series. It's really going to be interesting because it's about a whodunit kidnapping. Now there's a young little girl who was kidnapped as a child and she had to live in a glass dome for 7 days as a child, and now she's become an investigator on a similar kind of a kidnapping. So it's going to be very interesting to watch, and again suspense hai, thriller hai, so it's going to be a total binge watch this weekend on Netflix. Next up is Khauf. It's releasing on Prime Video and it stars the big boss controversial character Chum Darang along with Rajat Kapoor. Now this is literally a spine-chilling horror thriller film and I saw the trailer और सच बताऊँ मुझे तो ट्रेलर देख के ही डर लग गया. It's about this girl living in this hostel and there are like 4 other girls over there और वहाँ पे बहुत अजीब चीज़ें होती हैं. Apparently वो रूम haunted है, रूम 333, and वहाँ पे जो भी रहता है वो कभी जिंदा बच के नहीं निकलता है. So I saw the trailer and oh my god, I don't know कि वो serial killer है कि horror film है कि क्या है, but it's literally, even the trailer was spine chilling. So if you do catch it, you must tell us in the comments below how you liked it. I am planning to watch it this weekend, but I'm really scared, guys. Ugly Hair Logout on ZEE5. This one stars Babil Khan and Rasika Duggal. Now मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड हूँ इस मूवी को लेके. मैंने इसका ट्रेलर देखा. यू नो हाउ वी आर ऑलवेज ऑन आवर फोन एंड वी फील कि हम अपने फ़ोन के बिना जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. नाउ दिस गाय, ही इज़ लिटरली फोर्स टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन कि क्या वो अपने फ़ोन के लिए मर सकता है. विल यू डाई फॉर योर फोन? The thing is that he's a social media creator with 10 million followers and he's obsessed with his phone. Then his phone, bank accounts and all his social media gets hacked and one of his followers is actually tormenting him and torturing him online without him knowing कि ये कौन है, and getting him to give up his life in exchange for his phone. And it's going to be a interesting thriller, and it really sparks the question कि क्या हम अपने फ़ोन के बिना रह सकते हैं, and without our phones what would this technology lead to. Government Cheese on Apple TV. Now this one is a drama comedy based in 1969. Hampton Chambers, when he's released from prison and he comes back, he sees that his wife and his sons are completely living a different life which he doesn't really fit into, and when he tries to fit into their life, it leads to a lot of drama and chaotic and situational comedy. So it's going to be really fun to watch. Of course, a lot of Apple TV shows are really well written and well scripted, so I am looking forward to this one because it's a period drama. Yamakathagi. This is a Tamil film on Aha Tamil, and it's going to be a suspense horror thriller because it's about the lingering spirit of a girl who never left a rural funeral home, and now there's a spiritual or a spiritual नहीं बोलेंगे, मतलब spirits का investigation going on to get her to leave this funeral home. It's going to be horror, it's going to be thrilling, and it's going to be super fun to watch. So if you don't want to catch it in Tamil, I'm sure you can get one with subtitles, so do catch it and let us know what you thought of it. There are a few interesting documentaries you can catch on Netflix. One of them is the making of the Stranger Things Broadway show. There's another one on Oklahoma City. It's a really dark one. You can check that out as well. There is also Ransom Canyon, which is on season 1. It's basically a romantic drama series with a lot of complex relationships. So if you like romance, drama, and a little bit of thrill, this one might be worth watching. चाय एंड चूरन में हम आपके लिए लेकर आते हैं OTT रिलीजेस फॉर एवरी सिंगल वीक. अगर आपको हमारे रिकमेंडेशंस पसंद आते हैं तो डू टेल अस इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. अगर नहीं भी पसंद आते हैं तो आप हमें फीडबैक दीजिए एंड वील ट्राई टू मेक मोर रिकमेंडेशंस दैट आर सूटेबल फॉर यू. हम आपको ऐसे ही बहुत सारे रिलीजेस और रिव्यूज़ के बारे में बताते रहेंगे. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू चाय एंड चूरन एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद एवरीबडी हु वांट्स टू नो व्हाट टू वॉच दिस वीकेंड. Until then, bye-bye.